Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making sure the basics are correct because time sync depends on the phone. If your iPhone has wrong time, the watch follows. Once updated, enable Set Automatically on the iPhone so network time propagates, then restart the watch and phone to refresh services. If the watch still shows wrong time, move to Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Make sure both are enabled so the devices can talk. This prevents wasted steps later and addresses the most common causes first. Once the basics are in place, perform a force restart on the watch to clear temporary faults. This helps when the face freezes. Next, in the watch app, use Reset Sync Data to rebuild contacts and settings, which can fix time display errors. If problems persist, unpair and repair the watch. This reestablishes the secure connection and reapplies time zone rules. Make sure you keep the phone near the watch during repairing so the initial sync completes without interruptions. Finally, verify that the watch mirrors the iPhone date and time. Open settings on the watch to confirm. If the issue remains, erase the watch and restore from a recent backup, or set it up as new to eliminate corrupted settings, restoring tests whether software caused the problem. Make sure to test in multiple locations to rule out network time sources. If none of these steps fix it, contact Apple support or an Apple store for diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.